Welcome to Display Case Smart. This video highlights our Octagon Half Vision pedestal display case. This display case is 35 inches wide, 35 inches deep, and 45 inches high. The viewing glass is 16.5 inches high. Optional LED mini side lights are available for this display case. The deck can be black or white hardboard, black or white fabric, wood, glass, or mirror. Each display case is equipped with 2 hinged locking doors. We can build this Octagon jewelry display case in several wood choices: red oak, cherry, mahogany, walnut, or maple. We have several standard stains available, or we can finish the case to match your current fixtures or in black or white satin lacquer. Each display case is finished with a clear coat for long-lasting protection. Please check out the wide variety of cases on our website, displaycase-smart.com. Check out our customer reviews page to see what our customers have said about us. Give us a call toll-free at 888-843-1870.